touch the people.
Came all the way from Coolidge to see Glendale Glitter?
69 miles away.
Wow, what'd you think?
Loving it, loving it.
I am Heather and Cassie. Thank you.
All these people coming in, with all the smiles going all the time. Awesome, awesome. Can't have it any better.